Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Humphrey Car Mechanic. I'm here to teach you how to find exactly the cylinder that is misfiring in your Honda CR-V engine. This is the engine, Honda CR-V Jeep 2008 model. I want to show you how to check the cylinder that is doing misfiring. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can see this one is working. The cylinder is working. You can see it's working. This one is working too. Listen to the sound. Once you leave it out, the sound will change. It's working. And it has no leakage. This one is not working. As you can see, the sound still remains the same. It's not working. You have to start from the plug. Lose the plug. Lose the plug. Bring it out. Look at the plug. It's not firing well. As you see it, it's not firing well. This is what misfiring. The plug is not good. You have to replace it. It's another plug. The second plug, you have to put it. This plug is okay. You tighten it. You tighten it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Humphrey Car Mechanic, and follow us. After the plug, and fix the plug. Now it's time to go and start the car. You start it. And start. The sound, you know the car is in good condition now. Look, the sound is not firing again. So it's working. See, and then it shows sign of working. Unlike before, the plug is now, all of them is now in perfect condition. As you can see, that number is working now. The car is good to go. So this is the plug that powers is firing in this car. Please, if you like this video, please follow us on YouTube channel, Humphrey Car Mechanic. God bless you.